Hello friends, here on this video how you can do hard reset on your honor phone. So friends, before we hard reset our phone, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, here you have to tap on setting. After you tap on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down. You can even search here for the factory reset, or you can search directly for the reset also here in the search setting. Okay, later you can scroll on the down also. Then here you have to move on to system and update. After you tap on system and update, from here you are going to find this icon reset. Okay, so friends, tap on reset, then click on your reset phone. And before you do reset, do not forget to backup. Okay, do not forget to back up your photos, videos, even do not forget to remove your Gmail account. Here's the user on accounts. From here you can remove your account. Okay, after you remove your account, do this following steps that I have told you. After you remove the account, second step will be backup the photos or files and documents. Then third step should be reset. Okay, here's the reset icon, reset it. Okay friends, here last icons, there's three steps only. First is to remove the Gmail account, second is to back up the files, and the last is to hard reset. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.